Governor Brown has vetoed 2 farm worker safety bills. The UFW says that amounts to vetoing the state's nearly 500,000 field workers' right to ensure their own safety. 23 ABC's Christine Din spoke to the UFW and also has reaction from local growers.
2 farm worker safety bills that target growers and labor contractors, subjecting them to lawsuits, criminal charges, and stiff penalties, have been vetoed by Governor Jerry Brown. SB 2346 would have allowed farm workers to enforce the state's heat regulations themselves by suing employers who fail more than twice to comply with mandatory shade and drinking water requirements. AB 2676 would have made it a criminal misdemeanor, punishable by jail and fines up to $200,000 if appropriate water or shade are not provided. Employers could also pay restitution of up to $1 million to the worker's family.
Well, we're obviously appalled. These 2 bills were very important to protect farm workers in the fields. We really were hoping that he was going to be able to see the need for these bills.
UFW spokesperson Maria Machuca says the biggest problem is not the regulations, but the enforcement.
The problem is that we don't have enforcement. The government has been unable to enforce these laws. So without enforcement, these regulations are ineffective. Now, the contractors and the growers, they know now that there's no punishment for them if they violate these rules.
While the UFW may be upset about the veto, growers we spoke to are relieved.
This is the outcome we were hoping for. The adequate laws that are in place now are sufficient enough. There's been a lot of fines, a lot of pressure being put on growers as is with the current legislation. We feel that more stringent regulations and lawsuits and things were not needed at this point in time.
Reporting from Bakersfield, Christine Din, 23 ABC.